Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zami over here, and today's video is very different. So today I just thought of why not to make my own bookshelf, because I am not getting a particular place to keep my books. My books are like folded and it will tear very soon if I keep it like that. So I just thought of making my own bookshelf, and all the places are occupied by my brother's books and everything. So I just wanted to make the bookshelf for me, and this is my first time, so I don't know how will it be. Like, this is my first time vlogging, and I am a kind of a person who always love to make this kind of handcraft things. I always love to give to my parents, to my friends. So I love this thing, and let's see what happens. So let's start it, guys. So guys, let me show you something. Like, it's going to rain. Just see the clouds. It is getting dark, and it's barrier between me and my work, so I will have to stop it. I don't know, because if it starts raining and if my cardboard gets wet, then it will become very difficult for me to again arrange other cardboards, and I will have to let it dry. And I think I should I will have to collect all the things back in the room, because it is going to rain very soon and it is getting. So guys, it started to rain, as I said, and I moved all the stuffs over here in the room, and it is a little bit messy. You can see the mess. So I have got this another box which I have already used from JT. So I have changed my mind, and at first I thought of hanging in the wall, but then I changed my mind, and now I am making shelf like this. Let me show you. So this is what I have made. Let me show you properly. So it's little bit tera, but chalega. And I have also thought of making a pen stand in the middle, and there will be a different section. Like, I will be making different sections over here using the cardboards, and let's see how it goes. Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up now, and I'm having my chai. So chai is like a fuel of your mind, and it always keeps you active. So if you're a chai lover, then give me a high five. So you know what? The first thing that clicked in my mind when I woke up is my bookshelf okay? Is my bookshelf okay? Because I kept it in the next room, and I ran to my bookshelf and I found it in a very good position. So I was like, thank God, because I am very conscious about my things. Like, whatever thing I make with my own creativity, with my own efforts, I am very conscious about those things. So I am like, when will I complete this bookshelf? Because if I don't do that now, then I won't be able to focus on my other work. So I will be finishing it in the morning, I guess. I don't know. So the only thing that is left is the decoration part, because I have completed that section thing and also the pen stand. And so I will be bringing all the decorative items from a store which is very near to my home, and let's see what happens. I'm very excited, because I have also thought of a name, a very unique name, very unique, like me. so let's see what happens. So guys, I have brought all the decorative items which I was talking about, and it's very basic things. Like, there are some glues which you always need, stickers for decorations, and also I thought of a black art paper, and also a handmade paper. So I will be cutting these papers and decorate the bookshelf. So let me show you what I have done. So I have made these sections. I have also made another section over here, but I removed that because I have to paste the newspaper. At first I will be pasting all the newspapers around the box, and then I will decorate it with the art paper and also the handmade paper. And this is the pen stand which I have made. Like, I will be also decorating this pen stand, which I will keep in the middle. And let's see. So guys, I have completed this, like almost it is completed, only the inside part is left and also this side. And I will be bringing another art paper, black art paper, and it's almost completed, you can say. I will keep it simple, I won't make it congested. So there's some decorations are left and only this parts are left. Hey guys, a quick update. I'm done with the box, and I have completed decorating the box. The only thing that is left is this pen stand, which I will just cover and put it in the box, and it's done. So I will be completing this very soon, and stay tuned guys. So guys, it's ready and I want to show you. So do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Just let's see it guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for being so patient with me. And after watching this video, my friends will be like, Sammy to ye kar rahi thi. Matlab, every time they used to ask me why you are so busy, what are you doing. So I was always like, watch my next video and you will. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want to give me any suggestion, then you are always welcome to write in the comment below. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.